Hey Queens, now I told you a couple of weeks ago when I revealed my large denim Rowan that I will be moving into it very soon. So today is the day, but this video is a little different. It's gonna be a what's in my bag, but we are going to pack it together. So I have her right here. So let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But we're not going to waste any time. I've got some accessories that I also purchased to go with this bag. And I never actually did a full out video showing you guys those. I did a quick short maybe a week or so ago when those items arrived. But I wanted to give you guys a close up of those items as we pack this bag. So we're going to get the cameras off of my face and onto what's important, the bags. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So we have our large denim Rowan right here, and it is completely empty and ready to pack. I'm going to just tell y'all up front that it is definitely time for me to get my nails done. So I'm going to need y'all not to judge me on my hands, but we're not here for nails. We're here for the bag. So let's go ahead and get into it. I still have one of these silica gel packs in here that I'm going to just throw over to the side. So I am still in my Rowan, this one right here. So what I'm gonna do is really just take everything out of here and transfer it into the larger Rowan. I don't really anticipate putting anything more in this bag. Like, I'm not gonna pack this bag full just because it's bigger. There may be one or two additional items, but that's it. So I'm gonna put my key holder in here. So I have my corner zip wristlet in here. So I'm gonna switch this out because I actually got a corner zip wristlet from this denim collection. So let me just put this right here while I grab the new one. So let's just get a good look at this. So this is the corner zip wristlet from the denim collection. I love that it also has the vachetta leather on the wristlet strap, and that it also includes the cherry charm. The cool thing about the charm on the wristlet is that it's detachable. Can y'all see that? You can literally take that off and put it on something else if you wanted to. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the stuffing out of here. And just transfer everything that I have in this wristlet into the new one, which is just a few items. The only thing that I had in here were Kleenex, a manicure kit, my compact mirror, my straw, and my fingernail file. So those will just go in the denim one. Everything fits just like the last one, so I'm gonna drop that in here. My phone case, which I forgot to take off the phone before I started filming, is gonna go in the back pocket. And I'm gonna show y'all something about this back pocket because I've been complaining about the zippers on these Rowans, but I'm gonna show y'all something about this one that I just noticed a couple of minutes ago. So if you guys recall from the what's in my bag from the medium, well, the regular size Rowan, I was using my Fenty pouch for all of my cosmetics. But what I'm gonna do to hold my cosmetics is, instead of this, I'm gonna use my swinger, my full size swinger, as a catch-all in this bag. So I'm gonna take off the shoulder strap that came on here and take out the stuffing and just put everything that I had in this Fenty pouch in my swinger. Just look at this, by the way. This is the cutest bag. This is even cute as a clutch, even though I've never worn it this way. This was from the retail line that came out a couple of summers ago. I also got the Margot cat heel mule from that collection as well. Matches the bag perfectly. So this bag still had like the shoulder strap and the dust bag in here. So I'm gonna put those in the bag that I'm switching out of. And then I'm gonna just transfer everything to this one. So I've got my Sweetheart Cherry. I lost the lid for a minute. I got my Sweetheart Cherry Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, my Fenty VIP Cuticle Stick, Carmex, Poopery, hand sanitizer, eye drops, YSL Black Opium, a vanilla lip balm, and then like a reddish tinted lip balm. And there's still room in this pouch if I wanted to add something else. Well, this bag, I should say, it's only like maybe halfway full. But I'm going to just use that in here. And then I have a couple of options for a wallet. So with it being Valentine's weekend, well, by the time you guys see this, it will be 2 days after Valentine's Day. But with this being the week of Valentine's Day and Valentine's weekend going on, I plan on wearing this bag. And so I've got two options. I'm going to show y'all what I was thinking. So for Valentine's Day, I am going to go with the red. So I'm going to use this small red zip around card case in the Dooney and Burke Florentine leather this week. But I also have the same bag in, well, the same case in the natural. So either one of those will work and look really nice. But since I'm going with the red, I was thinking about whether or not I wanted to put accessories on the bag and what accessories I would use. So for this red wallet, I'm thinking about just going with either my plain red cherry Coach charm, since this is we doing cherries. I could also use the outlet version of the cherry Coach charm if I wanted to. And then I also have a charm that I've never used that would be cute on this bag, and it still has a tag on it. It doesn't have gold hardware, but I mean, who really cares about that? It still matches. Before we move on, I wanted to remind you guys that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. It is pinned in the comments. It's also in my description, and it's in my bio. So go ahead and download it if you don't have it already. And it's my little Marvel teddy bear charm. I don't really know how I like this one on here, but I thought I would put it on here just to see. What do y'all think? But anyway, let me take this off so that we can finish packing this bag. So I'm going to take everything out of my Eliza wallet and put it in the Dooney and Burke zip around. This is also honoring the promise that I made to myself to start using bags that I wear, that I purchase, and not wait. So I'm really trying to get into the habit of not waiting to use a bag after I buy it, going ahead and moving into it, getting a good feel for it, figuring out, immediately, or at least within a reasonable amount of time, whether or not it's going to really work, instead of having it for months, maybe even years before moving into it, and then deciding, that it's not a good fit for you. Y'all know my last video, I talked about that, and I'm going through that right now, and I'm sure some of you all are as well. And with these bags, we buy things that we like because they're pretty and we think we're going to wear them, and they just sit on a shelf. And that's money wasted and room that could be used for things that you're going to actually use and love. So I'm trying to get better about, and I say this all the time, curating versus collecting, because there is a difference, and I want to be a curator, not a collector. But anyway, enough of that. So I got all of my cards in here in the little zip around wallet. It was tight because I've got quite a few cards, and this little zip around card case is not really big at all. It's got enough slots for like 4 cards, but I was able to get like 6 or 7 in here because the slots are pretty generous. This little center zipper compartment in here is just useless. I think Dooney could have left this out and just made this center part bigger, because this wallet is too slim and narrow to use this zipper compartment for coins. So outside of like receipts, I don't know why else you would need it. Not to mention, I would just use a separate coin pouch. If I was using a case this small, I wouldn't even want to put coins in here. So let's see, what else do I have? I've got my Gucci sunglasses, but actually I'm gonna put these in a case because there's definitely enough room for these to go in its case in this bag. So I don't have to, I can just throw these in here. I have a pack of gum. I'm gonna stick that in the zipper compartment on the back wall. Now throw my headphones in there. So this bag is officially no longer new with tags, and it is moved in. So I think just to keep it simple, I'm gonna throw the cherry charm back on just to start with. Y'all can put in the comments which one y'all think looks best on this bag, or if you all have any suggestions from some of the other charms y'all know I have in my collection. But that is it. That's how that's it. That's how I'm packing my large denim Rowan. Like I said, I wasn't putting a whole lot of stuff in here. I don't want it to be super heavy. I'm just carrying what I would normally carry in this bag. Oh, but there is one other item I do want to add to this bag. Where is it? Oh. And that's my cherry notebook. Only because I rarely carry bags large enough to fit a notebook. And since this one will, I am going to take advantage of the extra space and add a notebook to this. But that's it, guys. That's all that I would put in here. Like I said, I'm not putting a whole lot. Just what the essentials, what I would normally carry. But I will go ahead and post some above shots so that you guys can see what it looks like packed and how much room is still left in this bag if you are a big bag girly and like to stuff your bags to the max. I will also maybe in a short come back in a few days to a week to let you guys know how it carries for me, because y'all know I'm not a big bag girl. So I'll let y'all know how it carries as a top handle and with this attached strap, and whether or not it got too heavy or ever got to a point where it felt too bulky or cumbersome for my liking. But there was one other thing that I wanted to show you guys that I also featured in the shorts, and that is another accessory that I got from the denim collection, and that is the mini Rowan charm. I just could not get this, guys. I thought this was super cute, and just like all of the other pieces, it has a little cherry charm attached to it on the side. Just adorable. You got the cute little vachetta handles. This right here actually has enough room to put earbuds or maybe some other things. So I might actually throw my earbuds in here and just throw this in the bag as well. But I had initially bought this to use as a charm. So this is the setup I will use on my natural days if I'm not trying to do red. As y'all can see, I've got a couple of Dooney pieces mixed in with here. I've got my Florentine coin pouch. I've got my zip around card case. And I also have a really cute Dooney and Burke pouch that I got for like $13 off Mercari that I think goes really nice with that. And then I'm still using the swinger. And then I've got the little Rowan, mini Rowan charm. But it's Valentine's Day week, so this is what my current setup is looking like. All right, y'all, before we get out of here, there was one more thing that I wanted to show you all, and this will probably further confirm for myself and everybody else that I went a little overboard with the denim collab. I got a hat. I mean, I don't know if y'all know this or not, but I love a good bucket hat, and I could just not pass up getting one of these hats from the collection. Now, I probably should have got a different size because this is a medium large, and I just didn't know how big my head was gonna be with locks and everything. But as y'all can see, this hat is pretty big, and it's got quite a bit of room in it, so I could probably have sized down. But that's okay. It still fits fine, and so it's cool. But I thought this was really cute. Of course, I wouldn't be wearing all of this stuff at the same time because that's just not my style. I would probably maybe wear one or two pieces at a time because as much as I like Coach and I'm definitely not afraid of a good logo, I'm still not trying to be a walking billboard. But anyway, guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the accessories that I've decided to pair with this bag. And don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later. Bye.